Hello everyone, keep on proceeding. Here again you have to get the comb and then just get the patterns made in this manner, get it beautifully done in this way, and then you need to secure it further with the help of these cherry clips. Isn't it cool? Now here on the ponytail, what are we gonna do here? You have to just secure it into the form of a bun. Keep on rolling it and get it further made and attached in this manner. You have to secure it with the help of the clips like this and then get it beautifully done in this manner. You have to get the hairs out from either side and get a beautiful lovely pattern made. This is gonna look even more amazing. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we gonna do. You have to just get your hair and then you have to secure it in this manner and then get it beautifully round shape, and this is gonna look amazing. You have to just secure it beautifully with the help of these cute lovely rubber bands. Isn't it amazing? Now keep on proceeding. Again, what are we up to? You have to just secure the hair like this, get it beautifully done in this manner. You have to join the hair in this way. Isn't it cool? I hope you guys have enjoyed.